Alright, to those who are using Filmora 12, I'm going to show you how you can import videos into Filmora timeline. Without much ado, let's get started. There are two ways in which you can do that. The first one is to drag in from wherever the video is, and the second one is to click on into the import media. So without much ado, let's get started now. At this very place, at this very project media here, okay, you are going to see click here to import media. By the time you click any of the place, you could see that you will definitely see the video. Just go to wherever the video is. For example, I'm looking for the video, and I'm going to actually input it there. Now here it is. Just click on open, then you could see that it's going to load, and then it is already in there. Okay, you've already inputted there. And the second method is to come to this place, and then that is click on the task bar here, and then you look for the video that you actually wants to use. You now drag it down to this very place, and by the time you do that, and that is, the video will have already been imported into Filmora 12 timeline. In the next video, I'm still going to show you how you can actually do some basic editing. I want to believe you understand this video. If you like this video, consider to subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video.